Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or for New Year, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa.
We're at Universal Studios Hollywood.
Yes, we already did a Mario.
It's been a day.
Yeah, so
Yes.
we did Nintendo World, which I'll put a video up here for you
Yeah.
and the description down below. But now we're going to show you a little bit of other things.
Yeah.
We just went to Universal not too long ago, so we just have a video out. So I'll make sure to link that video too. So we're just going to show you things that we didn't really see before.
Yeah.
Probably a little sprinkle of things we've done before. But come along on this adventure with us.
Yeah, and let's do Hollywood.
To the Mushroom Kingdom begging for gold coins in their warp tubes. My Decepticons plot world domination. And while you beg for validation on TikTok, consider us already having won this battle. Because Optimus is nowhere to be found, and nothing can stop me now. Oh, hail Megatron! Follow me. The battle begins now. Seal the doors. Starscream, you meddling.
Universal has balloons now.
I'm sure they probably always have, but we're here a little slower days.
Yeah.
But it feels like she's about to fly away.
All right, it's windy up here.
Trying to get a little chilly up here. We got Bart and Homer over there. We're just going to take a little sneak peek. Not wait for them, but sneak peek of them.
Yeah, let's go take a look. All right, so we've never noticed this before, but there's an actual daily filming schedule out on the filming lots. Lopez versus Lopez, Grand Crew, Kelly Clarkson Show, Access Hollywood, E! Entertainment, Quantum Leap, and American Auto. Very cool.
Never noticed that they have that here.
Very cool.
I know they do live recordings, but I didn't know they like kind of told you.
Yeah, it's a
what's
working
happening.
working studio.
Talking about that, want to go to the studio tour?
Let's do it.
We actually make it rain like this. We got some thunder, lightning, and there's some movie rain. Pretty cool, huh? We use these high-tech devices. They're called sprinklers. And we put them on poles and we make it rain. Now, some of you might have seen like a baseball game or something where they have a rain delay, and you might realize it's sometimes hard to see raindrops on your TV screen. Well, that's because raindrops are generally kind of small. We have to make ours about 2 or 3 times bigger, and we have to light them from behind. You can see over on the far side, when you put the lights behind the rain, it makes the raindrops more visible. Now, this area does have some drainage issues. It's had some drainage issues for about 50 years now. But don't worry, there's not a chance of you getting wet unless you happen to be sitting in a blue seat. Okay, do we have any Lady Gaga fans on the thing? Lady Gaga fans. Next time you're on YouTube, look up the music video for the song Judas. This is where she filmed it. She stood out there with the water all around her in this next area. Lots of music videos get filmed here on the Universal backlot. Every once in a while, nothing to worry about, just this light. Okay, this might be more than just a trim. Everybody stay seated, we'll get through this. I think this might be the big one. Is everybody okay? Is everybody safe? Or at least the water main didn't break. That was good. Uh-oh, let's get out of here. The water main just broke. Go, go, go! Flood in here. Everybody, Bob is still out there. Somebody shout for Bob! Bob! Bob, get out of the water! Bob, you're in danger! No! Oh, okay, this is not good. I can't watch. Louis, is he okay? Is he okay? I am sorry you had to see that. That was gruesome, and I apologize. That area is obviously still way too dangerous, so I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to pull up here. It should be much, much safer up here behind these giant barrels of gasoline. is an actual 747 that they bought from a plane's junkyard in the Mojave Desert for about $60,000. Yeah, it's pretty cheap for a plane. But you know what? They had to spend over $200,000 just transporting those pieces here on the backs of giant trucks. There's a lesson in there. You know what it is? It's always the shipping and handling. That's how they get you.
Well, come on in, fam. We'll get you a picture. Oh, we waiting for them? Hello, friends. Good to see y'all. Good to see y'all. I'm just hanging in here, taking pictures with people, enjoying the night, all that fun stuff. Yeah.
What about what's dragon?
What?
The dragons with the kids?
My wife?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're hanging out. They're not kids anymore. They grew up.
Oh my God, it's been that long, huh?
Girl, the movie came out in 2004. Where you been?
Oh my God, I was in high school still. Oh my God.
Oh snap. Okay. That's when they're not kids anymore.
I know, man. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, right. The first one came out. Guess what year?
You just told me.
No, that's the second one.
Oh, the second one. 1998.
Nope. You got it closest. What would you say?
2001?
Yeah, been having fun since 2001, baby. That's all you gotta know. Heck yeah, I like it.
Can we take a photo?
Yeah, I would love that. Let's do it, fam.
We're gonna try Waterworld. We both haven't seen this show since we were children. And it's back. Let's go take a look.
I'm the princess!
Yes, you are, but you're in another castle. Oh yeah, look at the three of us, like three peas in a pod. Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Just don't pee in the pod.
Don't pee in the pod.
Don't pee in the pod.
I don't have it. I'll make it a promise of. We can't stop by here without going to Hogsmeade.
Yes.
So we're definitely gonna go ride some rides here. I don't think you can bring the camera on with us, but we'll show you a little bit of Hogsmeade in the walkthrough.
Yeah.
So come along with us.
Let's do it.
peachy.
I'm very tired though. I had to be here at 6 a.m.
Oh my
I had
gosh.
to work the part. I had Princess People's lights out and we are standing.
Wow.
You know.
That's a long
That
day.
is commitment.
That's
I
a
bet
long
you
day.
made so many people's days.
Yes, I did.
Absolutely.
Hey, it's time for you to kick back and relax.
Yeah.
Ready to go to bed.
Nice.
I had to get my shoes off. My feet were hurting. I just switched up.
Oh my gosh, it's a long time to be on your feet.
Get out of here, you.
Get yourself a Princess Peach Bellini there.
Oh yes, sounds good.
And a little princess pedicure, you know what I mean? That's how you do after a day of work.
Good to see you, Princess.
Nice seeing ya.
See you later.
All right, how about that show?
That show, the Harry Potter show, was amazing. Yeah. Oh my god, it was so done. Tim had some really good photos. Make sure you go to Couple of Kiddos and look at those photos.
Instagram,
They look
sure.
unreal, the picture that he took.
Yeah, Harry Hogsmeade is amazing at night.
Yes. We did ride both of the rides in here.
Yeah.
We've never been on the flight of
Hippogriff.
And I didn't realize how short that was. I'm glad we didn't really wait
Yeah.
in line. We went on when the second showing of the lights were on, so we just walked right on. So it was
Yeah, it was
perfect
really
timing.
fun.
And then also we went on the other one, and it stopped on us twice.
Yeah.
Stopped once in front of a spider, and the other one in front of a dragon.
Yeah.
But still a great ride. We had a great day. I'm sorry we didn't show you like everything we did. We
Yeah.
just rode a lot of rides that aren't really easy to record, like Transformers. We can't record on Mummy. We can't record on some of them. But we did see some characters.
Yeah.
We did.
Go to Waterworld show. That was really cool.
We've been there for since we were kids.
Yeah, and that was also cool and kind of at nighttime too.
Yes, it was nice to do things at night, all these little things.
Right?
Well, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up and ring the notification bell for more videos like
Yes.
this. And like I said, follow us at
A Couple of Kiddos.
Until next time,
Bye.